So today I'm going to be showing you guys some strategies as well as some trends you can follow to improve your shops in 2021. This was actually suggested by Martin, pretty much saying, what do you think could be future trends for 2021? He also listed a few himself. And to Martin, firstly, I just want to say thank you for the suggestion, as well as some of the things that are listed there did have trademarks. So make sure that you're using trademarkhere.com to actually trademark check your designs. And whilst we're here, please just click on that like button. Let's start this video right. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shop. Now, if you happen to be coming across this channel for the first time and you want to know how you can make some extra money online, make sure that you are clicking that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. That way you will never miss out on any of my future videos. And for anyone who doesn't already know, I have a free print on demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. That's filled with all the information that I use to get my first few sales online, especially with sites like Redbubble. However, if you're looking to make print on demand more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below as well. Now, with that said, today I'm going to be talking about what to do on Redbubble in 2021. I've got some strategies, I've got some trends. We're going to be talking about a lot of things, guys, so make sure that you're locked in. Maybe even get your notepads out because you might want to take some notes with this one. Okay. Getting straight into this, the first thing you want to do is to think big and set yourself goals. So for example, how much do you want to make in 2021? How many designs do you want to be able to reach? Are you willing to stay consistent? And how can you become more efficient? You need to think about these things and set goals accordingly so you can reach your maximum potential. And guys, thinking big and setting goals is really important. But at the end of the day, it's nothing if you do not have a plan that works alongside that. So when it comes to 2021, you want to be able to plan ahead. I've put a few examples of what you could expect depending on the effort you may be willing to put in. I just put some examples of what results you'd end up with at the end of the year if you upload a certain amount of designs. So as you can see there with the first one, I put if you put one design up a day at the end of the year, you will end up with 365 designs. Now, it might not sound like a lot, but 365 designs is a lot and a year goes fast. And if you're watching this and you're looking to get into print on demand, I'm pretty sure you can upload one design up a day. Moving on, you can see there if you was to put 5 designs up, that equates to 1,825 designs, which is crazy. 10 designs, 3,650. 25 designs a day should be 9,125, not 91,000. So just scrap the zero off that. And then 60 designs a day, which is the Redbubble limit, will take you to 21,900 designs. Now, I understand that not everyone can hit that Redbubble limit of 60 designs, but there is ways of doing this. There's automation sites like PodConnect, which is one of the affiliates of this channel. If you want to check them out, they'll be linked down in the description. But yes, the main reason I've showed this with you guys is because it's important to go into the year with a plan. If it's already 2021 at the time you're watching, this is not too late. If it's not 11:59 on the 31st of December 2021, it's not too late. You can still set up a plan and you can still make things happen. And for anyone who doesn't have a clue how to go about it, there are just a few examples of a little plan you could set for yourself to make sure that you're achieving little goals day by day as we go through the year. And when it comes to thinking big, when it comes to setting plans, this is something that I strongly believe in. And I believe in this enough to the point where I actually went out there and I created a poster that says, "A dream written down with a date becomes a goal broken down into steps becomes a plan backed by action becomes reality, manifest success." Now, this is something that I live by. And these are posters that I've made for anyone who's trying to stay motivated while still chasing their goals. I've even bought one myself. So I'm not just showing you guys something that I've not gotten. The main point is to stay motivated. Even if you want to get posters from elsewhere or other things to motivate you, the main thing is to stay motivated, set your goals. Now, that is it pretty much for the strategy. Jumping onto some of the events that will be occurring in 2021. 2021. The first one we have when it comes to a generalization of events is birthdays. In 2020, birthday designs did quite well. Some of the birthday designs you can see here, at the rate things are currently going with the virus, you'll most likely be able to make 2021 versions of these style of designs. Now, the main reason I'm showing you these designs is because some of these are scalable. Like for example, with the design that says my 30th birthday, you could change the 30 to whatever number you want. You could go from my first birthday to my 80th birthday. That is very scalable. You've got 2020, the year I turned 16. You could change that to any number you want. Obviously with this one, it's a little bit harder because it's text. This is something that you guys can do. And if you're jumping into these style of designs, you also don't want to be using the keywords friends in either your tags or titles. It's not a good idea. And with this, you don't even have to just use it with t-shirts. You can apply this to other products. For example, greetings cards. You can get creative. Birthdays are all year round and 2021 is a new year. So making sure that you're looking into birthdays could be a good way to go for most of you. And obviously there's 12 months in the year. You could even sub niche down even further and go January 2021 birthdays, February, March, April, May, and just make a niche based design for 2021 for each month if you want to. It's just something you guys can do, and I thought I'll share this with you guys because personally I think this is a good idea. The next set of designs, once again linked to events, is the promoted to designs. Now the first one you can see, it says promoted to daddy, established 2021, and then this one was the 2020 version, but you guys can obviously make your own versions of 2021 design styles. Now this is really good mainly because once again it's scalable. You could be promoted to an auntie, an uncle, a granddad, a grandma. So you can really scale these design styles if you want, and you can create them in different colors. Once again, this is something that you guys can do for 2021 just to put yourself out there and to increase your chances of getting sales. And once again, like I said before, it's good to play around with a variation of products. You could try t-shirts, but things like mugs sell well with these kind of designs, and obviously greetings cards work well as well. But once again, another way to take advantage of upcoming events in the new year. Next up, we have a big event which was actually supposed to happen in 2020, but it's now happening in 2021, and that is the Tokyo Olympics. Now I've put some text there that says make sport related designs, but before I get onto that side of things, I just want to say you could simply make a straight out of Tokyo design and make it in your own way, and once you have that created, you can then jump onto the more sport related designs. Now there's a lot of sports in the Olympics. You could do your research, find a variation of sports and make designs for them. Now I would never suggest to put the Olympic design or logo on your designs, mainly because that will fall under trademark, but coming up with simple text-based related designs or simple sport related designs won't be a problem. And as you can see there, I have one that says eat, sleep, swim, repeat, and then dance is my sport. And the main reason I've got the dance is my sport design is because break dancing, as of this Olympics that's coming up in 2021, will be introduced for the first time ever. So that might be a niche that you guys can jump into. If you can even think of funny sayings to go with dancing or break dancing linked to the 2021 Olympics that's coming, you could be in for some big sales. And going over to some of the other events, I mean, 2021 is a year with a lot of events that's going to be happening. These here are just a few, but yeah, as you can see, on the 20th of January, there's the Joe Biden inauguration. Things to do with the presidential election, which is now gone, did quite well. So I take it things to do with the inauguration, I hope I'm saying it correctly there, will probably do good as well. So I thought I'll just share it with you guys in this video, just so you're prepared in terms of designs. February 7th, we've got the Super Bowl happening. And now the Super Bowl always does big, but once again, when it comes to designs with the Super Bowl, you can't use logos or badges of teams, but you could get away with maybe quotes and sayings that some of the players say. So that's just a way to kind of implement the Super Bowl without infringing on trademark. But yeah, that's a big thing that will be coming up next year. Every year the Super Bowl happens, people find a way, creative ways to create designs around it that don't infringe on trademark and make a lot of money. So that's something you guys should definitely be noting down and looking out for. And on June 11th, we've got the UEFA Euros. Now for anyone who's in the UK or in countries that love football, I know the Americans call it soccer, the Euros will be a big event alongside alongside Copa America. Now, the Rugby League World Cup tends to do quite well. I mean, rugby has a big audience, especially in the UK. And I've noticed when it comes to print on demand, the rugby audience tend to buy a lot of rugby related things. So maybe you guys can even create designs for that and see how well that does for you. And yeah, there's a lot of other things happening. I think there's going to be an eclipse towards the end of this year on the 4th of December. I've not edited it here, but in the link that will be down below, all the edited information will be there if that's something you guys want to check out and are interested in. Nevertheless, I thought I would hit you up with a lot of information of what you should be doing when it comes to preparing yourself for 2021 on your Redbubble stores. If it's already 2021, you can definitely still do the things that I'm talking about. But yes, I just want to set you guys for success, because at the end of the day, if you're watching this video, you are taking initiative to improve, taking initiative to get better, and taking initiative to make some extra money. So I'm just here to help. Nevertheless, if you've made it to this point of this video, down in the comment section, comment down 2021. I mean, we're nearly there. It's getting exciting. Nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.